Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Hi people, I don't know when I'm gonna see that video. If in a morning, if in a night, good night. One thing more I want to say, I'm not bad mind nobody, but I'm just to talk the truth. Mackerel officially, when you're a Ladisha, she will stop tell lie. Because what she do to her mother, on live TV, or lifestyle, whatever it is, she will stop tell lie. Me and Ladisha did the same homes, and actually every Sunday that little girl, mother come look for you and get things for your baby and get things for yourself. So Ladisha want to rise with where you do, yes? When I go live, come on, make everybody see a lie I tell. Yeah, me name Nicolette. You might not notice me now. Me a Oma mother. Yeah, me get pregnant too young too. I'm 15, I'm a baby when me nearly 16. Yeah. Ladisha, one thing I have to say to you, want to rise with where you do, yes? But want to stop to life for your mother. Stop to life for the poor, innocent woman. Actually, every Sunday I went out with your Mary's child. The woman come look for you. We don't want next blind man. We don't want next blind someone we walk with stick. I don't describe nobody body no, but just a turn how it is. Ladisha stop tell her pay poor innocent mother. When time my mother come and hear your mother sing and everyone I girl them did they watch you know. They sing and they laugh and they chat. Ladisha have to stop it. Ladisha make you woman strive. But yeah your mother I don't know about when time only did day on the yard you know. But me attack when time they there at the homes. Girl, stop tell lie because wish we could have one mother right now. Stop tell lie for your poor innocent mother Ladisha. Mackerel officially. Stop tell lie for your mother. That's all me have to say. Thank you very much.
Viewers and subscribers, let me make sure I explain to you what this young lady has said. I'm going to explain it. That's me not telling a lie on her neither. You see? She said that she and Mackerel attended the same school. You get me? Right. She said she don't know about she don't know what happened. When Mackerel and her mother down there at the school or before she come to the school or after she leave the school. But she said during the time when both of them there at the school, Mackerel's mother give her very regular visits. You see me? And bring things for the baby and so forth. You just hear it for yourself. That's what she said. You understand? So that's what I bring to you, my viewers. You see me? Because this video touch social media and people start to ask a whole heap of question now because you don't know enough people remember about Mackerel and how Mackerel says she had a problem with her mother and her mother never been there and so forth. Well, this girl is saying the opposite pertaining towards when them go school together. You understand? Nothing else more than when time them go school together. So that is what she make sure she make clear. That's it. Alright? So, in my view, I just have a feeling say it's just a big misunderstanding between her mother and her daughter, to be honest. You see me? But you don't know the thing go already. A misunderstanding like that have to be worked out amongst themselves. You see? Yeah. Alright? But anyway, you don't know the thing go already. You're new to the channel. Don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?